Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, January the 4th, 2024. Not 3, but 4. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3-star Sudoku, we have a 4-star Sudoku, and a tectonic. Regular puzzles, alright. But we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles for today. We have the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will do in the evening, but this afternoon these 3 regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, I've heard on the news yesterday there's an airplane crash in Japan, Tokyo, and yeah, there are 2 planes. One plane is want to take off to the earthquake. There was also an earthquake in Japan, a big earthquake, and the plane crashed together, and luckily the passengers airplane, all the passengers are okay, but in a little airplane, 4 deaths. Well. That's the news. How about these 3 regular puzzles? And those puzzles, the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku. This will number. Let me see which number it will be. 7733. Yeah, 7733. Put this away. 7733. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 27 printed digits. 27 printed digits. Where's my pencil here? If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this Sudoku will be actually a 1 star, not a 3 stars. A 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. If it's really a 3 stars puzzle, then I need 20 to 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Well, we have 2 in the 3rd row, 2 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, okay. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, okay. 4. I'm scanning. 3, 5, 7, okay. Then need a 3 here. Need a 8 here, need a 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the last column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. 8, 8, okay. Well, need an 8 here, and I need a 5 here, okay. This should be the 9, okay. We have 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in the last row are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. And look, we have 5 and 8 in this column. No 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 9. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. The 8 in the last column, the 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there, not the 6 but the 8, okay. Then 6 and the 9 and the 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. So the 6 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 here, okay. Then 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, okay. Then let me see. How about 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need a 9 here. Okay. Need an 8 here. 1, 2. Yeah, we have 2 missing numbers in the third row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay. We have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Need a 2 here. And well, in this column we need a 4 in the second column. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, here, or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the only place left for 4 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in the second column. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in the second column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 7, 5. 3 missing numbers now. Let me see which numbers. Yeah, 1 of the missing number in this column. The second column is the number 2. Well, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this column should be there. 2 2 and a 6. We have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Need a 2 here. Okay, need a 2 there. Cannot continue with the 2 now. How about these two missing numbers in the second column for the numbers? The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So, need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. Alright. 1, 8. 186. 186. Okay. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 there. We have a 6 here. Need a 7. And I need a 5 here. Wow. Need a 2 here. How about the 9? No. Still having troubles with the 9. Need a 6 here. Need a 4 here. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row. So in the row between the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. Or there we have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Overlooked. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we have a 4 in this row, middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright. 2, 3, need 5 here, okay. Then, let me see. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 9 should be there. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Okay. How about the 2, 6, and the 5? So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, 5 in a row above. So that row, only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Alright. And then now, let me see. Need a 1 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 8 here. Okay. How about the 7? Need a 7 there. Okay. I'm thinking. Need a 2 here. Need an 8 here. 2, 8. Need a 5 there. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. And 1, 5, 7. 5 and the 3. 1, 7, 5, 7, and 3. 5 and the 3. Come on. This is taking too long. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Where's the opening? Need a 2 here. 2 there. No 2 here. That means in this row we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is the number 2. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this column, first column, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this row should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here, okay. How about the 2 then? Need a 2 here, need a 2 there. Well. 5 and a 3. Ay. 7, 6, 8 and a 5. 7, 6, 6. I'm thinking. 1, 8, and the 6 is missing. 1, 6. Yeah, we have 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. We have all the 6s here. 6 cannot continue with the 6 now, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright, so we have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 1. Okay, so here 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 5. That means we need a 3 here. 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left with the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. And I need a 3 there. Cannot continue with 3 now. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Yeah. 5, 5. Well. How about these? Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 7 and 8. We already have an 8 there in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. So 1 box left in the third column for the amount. The 1, the 2 is missing. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes at there. 8 and the 5, we have a 5 now in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes at there. 7 and the 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes at there. 7 and the 6, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes at there. 7 and the 5, we have a 7 now in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left with the 3 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well. Well. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, but I thought it was a 1 star because for 1 star puzzle it has 27 printed digits. Well, I'm having troubles with the 1 star puzzle. Should be a 2 stars. Yeah, 2 stars indication. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.